guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm just gonna be winging it. Honestly, I'm winging it. I don't know what I'm doing, girl. But I was like, I might as well do it on camera. Might as well show my friends what I'm doing. I have only a leave-in and it is from Braidout. It's the rice, amino, and avocado leave-in defining cream. So it has some kind of definingness to it. I was just testing it out. But I am gonna be doing a braid out. I don't know how many plaits I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna just do like 6 or 8 plaits in my hair. They're not gonna be big at all, but I am gonna go in with a gel. I'm going to be using the Cantu styling gel with the maximum hold. And I haven't used this. I've not used this one bit, you guys, and I wanted to try it out for y'all because I know it's definitely affordable because it's Cantu. It smells fresh. I don't read ingredients, but check the ingredients out yourself, honey. That's what we're gonna be using for this braid out today. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair, and I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna get started. I section my hair in 4s, and then I split the back section in half, and this is what we're working with. Now, I'm gonna try not to use any hair tools, but I do have the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I do have this one, but I'm gonna try my best not to use any tools because I wanna see what kind of, I don't know, I feel like when you keep your natural curl pattern and all in here, it just gives it more flavor. So I just wanted to see that and not like rip my curls out. I'm gonna go in with the gel. And I also wanted to go ahead and try to use this gel just to see kind of how it looks on my hair before I ruin the whole wash and go on it. Because I can tell if it's gonna be good with a wash and go just by me applying it to my hair. It's kind of watery. Oh, it's defining though. It's definitely lighter. I like it though. I think I like it. That looks good. Have y'all tried this one for a wash and go? If y'all tried this Cantu gel for a wash and go, let me know. I know I saw finally Amber do one, but let me know if y'all tried it because I know Amber likes it. So now I'm just gonna plait this up. Y'all, my hair is so tangly. I know I just said I probably wasn't gonna detangle, but I just feel like my hair is so tangly right now. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the leave-in or what, but my hair just keeps getting tangled. I might have to go in with my brush, y'all. But I haven't done any detangling at all. So scratch that. We're going to have to use this brush to detangle. I am just plaiting this up. If you guys don't know how to plait, I mean, this is not a tutorial on that. But there are quite a few tutorials on how to plait. Just gonna go ahead and plait it all the way down. I just love braid outs, you guys, because it just gives you so much stretch. All right, and you guys know how we do at the end. We like to twirl it. Get you a rat tail comb. Yes, I just went to go buy me a purple one. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. So yeah, just make sure you go ahead and comb out that end and coil it down. So you get a nice coil, just like that. Y'all, my hair looks so healthy. I love how my hair looks right now. Like that trim, sis. Girl, I'm telling y'all, game changed me up. Because my hairstyles have been popping since then. I'm just going to be doing the same exact thing. So I'm probably going to do, what, 2, 4, 6, 8 braids in my hair total. I'm going to just keep on keeping on.
Tears roll down your cheeks. I know now it's on me. I'll be setting off alarms, you be turning off alarms. You be laying in my arms, I'll be stacking up my arms. I'm driving you crazy, you seem more mad lately. You cry, but I try. Girl, I am the one that you want. I'll be the one that you need. I be, girl. Don't even know what you want. Love like Sierra Leone. Diamonds all over our throne. Still I be wrong. You go hard for me. I be on my ego thing. You be telling me that I hurt you sometimes. Well, I never meant to hurt you, baby, or make my pretty cry.
So I went and did my hair off camera because I had some stuff to do. So this is the last section. So I do have more than 12 braids. How many I got? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. And I'm about to put one more here. I started using the Keek and Curly Not Today on my hair because I don't know, this leave-in that I used, it really wasn't as moisturizing. It really didn't help with detangling. So I just started putting this on just so I can detangle it really nicely. And when I put this on with the gel, it looks really good, but it sounds like a soapy feeling. Like it has a soapy, sudsy type of consistency. Look at my hair, it looks so good. So I'm just smoothing this out. This is a tangle teaser. So just combing that out, well, brushing that out. And then I'm just gonna plait it up. Once I'm to the end, I like to just comb it out. At the end, twirl it around my finger. And that's it. So I am basically going to let this dry, let it air dry overnight. And then I'm probably gonna come back tomorrow afternoon and take them out. So this is what they're looking like. Nice and chunky. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it is the next day. My hair wasn't dry. I finished my hair at like, I want to say 2 o'clock in the morning. Now it's 4 o'clock the next day. This is what my hair is looking like. And I think it is dry, but it still feels a little damp. But I think that's just moisture. But it might be wet, y'all. But I do want to go ahead and take them out because I don't want to wear my hair like this for a long time. I'm already ready to do another wash and go because that wash and go was so banging. Oh, and Sky is back there. So if you hear her huffing and puffing, that's her. So I am going to take some oil. You guys know I only use Miche oil on my hair. Just going to put some in my hands and rub this all throughout my hands so that while I'm taking this out, it'll be good to go and reduce the frizz. The moment of truth, you guys. As you know, I used the Cantu styling gel for the first time. Oh no, it's wet. It's still wet, y'all. So I'm gonna let them stay in. I'm gonna braid this one back. It looks good though. It looks really good, but it's still wet. So I'm not gonna undo all of them. We're gonna let them stay in possibly another day. Normally, my braid outs be dry, but these are pretty thick. So I should have known it was gonna take a little moment. So yeah, I'll come back, y'all, when it's dry. It's not dry.
I know now it's on me. I'll be setting off alarms, you be turning off alarms. You be laying in my arms, I'll be stacking up my arms. I'm driving you crazy, you seem more mad lately. You cry, but I try. Girl, I am the one that you want. I'll be the one that you need. I be, girl. Don't even know what you want.
This one, I think my ends got a little, but I think that was because I re-braided it. As you guys saw, I did the other side as well, and that didn't happen. So I'm just taking it apart to see if it's actually dry. Because I really just want to take this braid out. Like, I don't know why. I'm just itching to take it out. It seems pretty dry, except the roots are a little wet right here. Yep, it's wet still. But you know who's going to keep on moving and trying this RevAir out? Me. Because I really want them to dry fast. Alright. So it's time to see what this one's looking like. It stretched it out a little bit at the end. This seems to be dry, you guys. So I'm just going to try to dry the rest of them and take them out. I kind of like it. It's cute. Okay, you guys. So this is my hair after I fluffed it out, separated all that good jazz. And I don't like it. I don't like it. It did not dry with the RevAir. Even though it kind of dried the top of the braid, the inside of the braid and all that still wasn't dry. So it gave me a lot of frizz and I'm not here for it. I mean, it's cute. I can rock it outside. If you want a fluffy, like carefree type of braid out, then sure, go for it. But I'm not here for it. I'll try the RevAir different ways. Let me know in the comment section below what kind of ways you would like for me to try this RevAir. I mean, it feels good. The gel, I feel like, really does do well. I might still use it on like a wash and go. It did not look horrible, so I'm not like over it, but I mean, my hair looks good. You still can see some definition in the curls below. I'm not feeling all this frizz that I got, and it's very, very fluffy. Like, it's so soft. Just not my cup of tea. I like more definition, but it was fun experiment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.